Welcome to English Evolution Step 1. In this lesson, we'll learn vocabulary related to morning routines. These words and phrases will help you talk about your daily activities in the morning. Let's get started. Wake up. Leave the house. Take a shower. Comb hair. Have breakfast. Wash face. Get dressed. Make bed. Listen and practice. Wake up. Definition: to stop sleeping and become conscious. Example: I wake up at 7 a.m. every morning. Get up. To rise from bed. I get up as soon as my alarm goes off. Alarm clock. A clock that makes a sound to wake you up. My alarm clock rings at 6:30 a.m. Brush teeth. To clean your teeth with a toothbrush and toothpaste. I brush my teeth after breakfast. Wash face. To clean your face with water and soap. I wash my face to feel refreshed. Take a shower. To wash your body while standing under running water. I take a shower every morning. Get dressed. To put on clothes. I get dressed before having breakfast. Comb hair. To arrange your hair using a comb. I comb my hair after I get dressed. Make the bed. To arrange the bed neatly after sleeping. I make the bed as soon as I get up. Have breakfast. To eat the first meal of the day. I have breakfast at 8 a.m. Pack a bag. To put items you need for the day into a bag. I pack my bag with books and lunch. Leave the house. To go out of the house to start your day. I leave the house at 8:30 a.m. Listen and repeat again. Wake up. Get up. Alarm clock. Brush teeth. Wash face. Take a shower. Get dressed. Comb hair. Make the bed. Have breakfast. Leave the house. Alarm clock. Alarm clock. Teeth. Teeth. Face. Face. Shower. Shower. Clothes. Clothes. Hair. Hair. Bed. Bed. Breakfast. Breakfast. Bag. Bag. House. House. Fill in the blanks with the correct morning routine vocabulary. Thank you for watching. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to English Evolution Step 1 for more beginner-friendly English lessons. See you in the next video.